Okay, so you can look at the chat box. I already pasted the quiz on the chat box. If you have some questions, you may ask me, but I will have to send first. Let me see. Let me see. I have to print screen that one, then send it to Sir Hardy. You know what? It's very, very hot here. The weather is very hot, but it is actually raining outside. It is actually raining outside. Another question from Mark. Why math? I don't answer the dialogue. Okay, before I forget, I will have to ask you for an
Just don't
assignment.
do it.
Yeah, I will have to ask you for an assignment for our English lesson or English subject. You need to at least make 30 sentences. I know, no, 10 sentences using possessive adjective and 10 sentences using possessive pronouns. Okay? 10 sentences. So it will be, all in all, it will be 20 sentences. Okay. You have some questions? Do you have some questions, anyone? You can ask me, okay? I will wait for you. I sent Sir Harry a pic regarding the students, the attendance of the students. So again, the first quiz is all about combining like terms. Find all the terms, okay? Find all the terms, then you can actually evaluate or simplify. When you say simplify, you can arrange. You can actually arrange the order of the variable as well as the constant. And then the other one, when you say distribute, you are going to multiply all those numbers or variables outside the parentheses into the constant and variables inside the parentheses, then simplify, arrange, and solve. Okay? So there are only 15 items. The number 2 or the test 2 can be a little bit difficult because it has a distribution. But while for the number 1 test, it is only very easy. You only need to combine all terms. You need to write everything. Since you cannot combine different terms, leave it as it is. But if there are operations present, you need to, okay, you need to do the operation. You need to do the operation, okay? If you have some questions, you can ask me questions, okay? Can you do the test for 30 minutes only?
I'm feeling scared.
Why? Why are you scared? Take note, Mark. You were the one who's been answering the questions last time. I know you know it. You can do it, Mark. Do not be afraid to answer it, right? Just believe in yourself. I think you look so stressed up. Do you have a good day earlier? Were you able to have a good day earlier? Huh? Mark? Mark, better be a rock. Why? Why better be a rock, Mark? You have some questions, everyone? accordingly, there is one island in Indonesia that speaks Tagalog. Tagalog is actually a Filipino dialect. That is actually our national language here in the Philippines, which is Tagalog. So I do not know yet if that is actually correct, but it was actually being um, shown in a national television, which has nothing but to do one job. That is that, Mark. Don't really know that much, but I just see this. Can you hear from outside that there are some raindrops that can be heard from our room? If you can actually listen carefully, you can see the raindrops. But it has been very, very hot earlier. I think that is the sign that it will actually rain if the weather from afternoon, mid-afternoon or early afternoon can be very hot, then it must be going to, or it will actually going to rain. Should I what? Which has nothing to do with one job. Should I? What does it mean? So time check, it's 7:18 p.m. You still have, if we can do it in 30 minutes, you still have 12 minutes to go. Okay. You can do it. I should be a rock. No, I should be concrete. Should I? Concrete, the spelling of concrete is like this. Look at the chat box. Concrete. Concrete. In the Philippines, we have 7,000 plus island. Before it was 7,107 island, but now it has been found out that there are so many islands compared to 7,100 islands. More or less 7,700 plus island. A glass, a sand, a grass, a dirt. You need to concentrate, Mark, or else you will become a concrete. You will become steady. You will become very hard. Cannot be moved. That is what concrete is, right? When it will harden, it will never be moved, or it can be moved with a force, by the force, using a force. I must just watch Minecraft. Okay, watch. Not watching, but watch. I must just watch Minecraft. Or you can say, I must, what is this? Wait a minute. Nana. I think you're talking to someone. Are you talking to someone in particular, Mark? Someone. So how was it? Are you done? It's almost 7:30. Can you be able to finish that one at 7:30? So it's almost 7:30. Are you done? Okay, I received 3 responses among the 7 students, right? So I received 3 responses. Among the 3 responses, two of which actually got a score of 13/15. Very good. Wow. So how about the other students? I think these students are those students that listens while I am actually doing the discussion or the lecture. So it's very good. There are two students who got 13/15. Very good. So I will be waiting for four more students, right? Aaron, Mark, Feby, and Shitya.
You just look at the chat. It's a Morse code.
We are a Morse code. So what? I do not know that. Okay. How about the others?
Look at the internet. They may be find an answer.
Okay, later. We'll have to look at that. Okay. So we will be waiting up to 7:40. So finish that one, okay? Very good for those two students who were able to get 13/15. Considering that the quiz is actually quite a little bit hard.
Hard, definitely.
Can be hard. The second test or the second quiz. The first quiz is very easy or it can be very easy, while the second quiz can be very difficult. But as you look at it, the students, among the three students who submitted their responses, two of them got 13/15. So I think they must be trying their best to at least understand the lesson. That is why they almost got it perfect. But I will have to look at it again. So maybe they actually got all the correct answers. Right? So let me see. We still have 2 more minutes. Okay, we're still waiting for 2 more students. Okay, are you done? So I am still waiting for 2 more students because I only received 5 responses, right? I will double check the answers. I think somebody got the correct somebody got all the correct answers, but let me double check it first. It only depends upon the how I wrote the answer, but I have some options and yet I was not able to get it. So I am still waiting for Aaron and Shitya and Mark.
What?
No,
I
Mark was
already done it.
already submitted. Febby. So I'm still waiting for Mark, I know Aaron, Shitya, and Febby. Am I correct? Aaron, Febby already submitted. So Aaron and Shitya. So the time check. The time is 7:42. So again, I would like to remind everyone to be able to make an assignment for our writing class. 10 sentences using possessive adjectives and 10 sentences using possessive pronouns. So possessive adjectives, again, they are those pronouns with which we use those pronouns such as my, you, your, her, his, it, our, and their. So these are all these are all pronoun with which it was followed by a noun. So it can be called as, or it will work as a possessive adjective. While the possessive pronouns, they are those pronouns such as mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, ours, and it is actually written at the last part of the sentence. It is called a possessive pronoun. Later on, we will continue with reflexive pronoun. We will continue with reflexive pronoun. Okay, so as it is, we still have 5 responses. As it is, we still have 5 responses. The time is 7:44. Okay, Mark, what part of the quiz you find it difficult? What part of the quiz you find it difficult?
I feel everything. I feel I'm not going to
Everything?
get any score. I feel I'm going to get 0 score at all. Is it right?
Okay. So what did you do? What did you do with your quiz? How did you answer your quiz, by the way? You should always take note the
With this.
the variables. If you have seen common variables such as if you can see all the x, you need to combine
No
that.
X.
Yeah, if there is y, you do not need to combine the y with the x because they are different variables. Okay, so I think Aaron and Shitya, are you done with the quiz? So that we can continue. We can continue with our lesson. We still have some lessons that we need to discuss, especially those multiplication and division. Multiplication and division of algebraic expression. Do you still remember our lesson regarding the signed integers? The rules about integers? If you are going to multiply two
No more integers. That hurt my head.
integer is a number. It is a real number.
Just
Right? It
say
is
something else than integer, Miss Amira, please.
yeah. If you listened last time, integer is actually a positive or a negative number. It is actually it is called as integer. A positive or a negative number. Positive or a negative real number. Remember that one? Positive, plus sign, negative, minus sign. Remember that one? Okay. Actually, Mark, if you look at it, when we talk about mathematics, we need to focus. We cannot answer correctly unless otherwise we focus uh, with our solving or with the lesson, because without focus, you tend to overlook some of the part of the question or the given problem with which you need to simplify. That is why there is a need for us to focus. Without focus, I know you will not be able to get high score. Okay, you will not be able to get high score. So you need to focus. If you are actually answering questions, especially for mathematics subjects, you need to focus. Without focus, you cannot answer it correctly. You may tend to have a very low score. You may tend to
Low
get
score,
score, yes.
0.
0, 1, 2. So those numbers, this can be very low.
What my score?
So, meaning the score can be very small. Doesn't even have, it was not even able to reach half of the given items. Right? So we will look at it later. I'm still looking at it. I find, okay. do you add, Mark, how do you add 6, negative 6 plus 8? What will be your answer for negative 6 plus 8? Negative 6 plus 8. How do you answer that one? Are you going to add it or are you going to subtract it considering the sign? You need to consider the sign. Negative 6 plus 8. Very good. It is 2. So what did you do to be able to arrive to 2? What steps did you make to be able to have an answer of 2? So negative 6 plus 8. Do they have the same sign? I deserve to get 0. F. Do they have the same sign, Mark? Negative 6 plus 8. So if you look at it, they have different sign, right? So instead of adding it, we are going to subtract it, and then we need to copy the sign of the bigger number. So which is bigger? Is it 6 or 8? So the bigger number is actually 8. What is the sign of 8? The sign of 8 is plus. So the answer would be positive 2. Very good. Or 2. You know the answer, but you can be careless sometimes. Almost all of us. I even experienced that one. I was very happy to answer the question. I was very happy to solve the problems given by my teacher. Since I am very um excited to answer it, I overlook some of those inside the problem. So you need to focus. Without focus, you will have low score or you will get low score, right? So we still have 10 more minutes. Let me see if all of you already submitted the responses. So Aaron and Shitya, are you done? What number are you now, Shitya? So it's been 1 hour, almost 1 hour now.
I think I done.
Number 10. So you need to answer 5 more questions, right? You need to answer 5 more questions. So we will reveal the score later. Or next week, Mark, I will have to reveal the score next week. I need to double check first some of the answers given by you or by the students. Because since it is actually a quiz with which you do not have a choices. That is why it actually depends on the on how I actually wrote it. It depends on how I actually uh, wrote the answer, right? Okay, let me see first. Okay, I was not able to receive it yet. Shit, yeah. Okay, no, not yet. So I still have Sandara, Inda, Honey, Feby, and Mark. I did not receive your response yet. Can you check it for me? Can you check it for me, Shitya? If you already, you know, how do you call rice in your language, Mark? How do you call rice in your language? Oops, it's a foul. Do not use that word. Let me see, no. Still 5 responses. You still need the link sheet, yeah?
Yeah.
How come? What happened? Already sent the link. How about Aaron? How about Aaron? Aaron, do you need the link again? Actually, it's almost time. It's almost time. If you're going to answer it
Miss
now,
Amira.
It's done.
yeah. So I thought we
Miss
can.
Amira just give the link to me.
Okay, I received Aaron's response. Okay. I received Aaron's response. Okay. So look at this. Again, I need to emphasize this one. If you are going to simplify terms that doesn't have the same variable or that is not actually the same term, you cannot actually add or subtract it. You cannot actually add or subtract it. You need to leave it as it is. You cannot add m plus n, right? You cannot add n plus m and make it as 2m or 2nm. It's not that like, it doesn't work like that. So n plus m is still n plus m. How about n plus m plus n? N plus m plus n. Okay, I will have to write it. N plus m plus n. How about that one? N plus m plus n. And 2 plus m, is that how we write it? And 2 plus m. So when we write the answer, the coefficient should 2n plus m. Very good. That is how we write it, Mark. 2n plus m. So a coefficient first, followed by the variable. A coefficient first, followed by the variable. What is coefficient, Miss? Coefficient is actually a number or an integer. It is actually a number or an integer before the variable. How about this one? How about this one? X plus 2x minus y. X plus 2x minus y. How about that one? X plus 2x minus y. What will be our answer for that one? X plus 2x minus y. 3x minus 1. Very good. That is actually correct, Mark. So how come you find it difficult earlier? Okay, another. How about this one? Another one. How about this one?
Wait, Miss Amira, is this question is for me? Only for me?
No, for everyone.
Wait, Miss Amira just the question only me. That's what they didn't answer.
It's for you. I'm sorry. I was not able for everyone. Okay. Sorry.
Sorry.
How about that one? 3x plus y plus 2. What will be our answer for that one? Nothing? Is it nothing? Are we not going to write anything? Very good. That is actually the answer. You cannot combine x and y. Right? You cannot combine x and y. Why? Because they have different, they are different variable. They cannot be combined. Okay, how about this one? Yeah. x plus x minus x plus 2 plus y minus 2y. Okay, how about that one? X plus x minus x plus 2 plus y minus 2y.
Why there is a underscore?
No, it's not an underscore. I just actually, what do you call this one? I just actually pushed I was able to push the shift.
Shift one. Oh, shift.
Yes, it should be minus. X plus x minus 2 plus y plus minus 2y.
I'm kind of confused with the underscore. So let me just
Yeah.
do it.
Will be right.
Okay, that's the
Okay,
proper
very
one.
good. Thank you very much, Mark. So what will be your answer for that one? What will be your answer for that one? Your answer. If you can answer that one, then you may be able to get a perfect score. Everyone, what will be your answer? X plus 2. Okay, is it 3y? Oh, check it again. Check it again, Mark. So the constant should always be written at the last. So x plus 3y plus x minus 3y plus 2, if that is actually the correct answer. But I am telling you, please check again. Please check again. There is something with which you overlook. If you are going to add y minus 2y, what will be your answer? Will it become 3 minus 3? Okay, so I think it's almost it's time. Actually, it's already time, right? It's already time. But I will have to reveal the answer first. The answer would be x minus y plus 2. That will be your answer. X minus y plus 2. So y minus 2y is actually negative y or minus y. X plus x is 2x minus x is x. So x minus y, then copy that 2 since there is no other constant here present. Right? There is no other constant present. That is why your answer should be x minus y plus 2. Okay, so it's already time. I think, let me see first if either sheet. Yeah, okay. So everybody submitted their responses. I need to double check it again. Okay, then we will reveal the scores next week. Okay, so much for today. Thank you very much everyone for coming. Bye bye everyone. Paalam. See you again next week. Do not forget your assignment for our writing class. Okay, do not forget your assignment for our writing class. I will have to write your assignment, or I will have to send a message on our group chat. Then I will have to tell the class about the assignment. Okay? So bye-bye for now, everyone. See you again tomorrow. See you again next week. Paalam, everyone. Good night and thank you for coming. Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Yes,
Thank you.
bye-bye, everyone. See you.
Bye. See you.
Yes, yes, yo.
Bye bye, Miss Mira.
Yes, bye.
Bye.